Hi and welcome to Brayley's Mazda in Milton Keynes. This is a walk around video demonstration of the Mazda CX-5 SE-L Nav Plus LJ68 LZG. Just in this video I'm going to show you the general condition of the vehicle, go over the specification of the vehicle as well, show you the features that make this above the standard Mazda CX-5. Starting off, you've got your front sensors and rear sensors on this vehicle, as you can see there. Moving around. So I'll just show you the alloy wheels just here as well. There you are. Finishing that nice gunmetal grey. Again, following around, you've got your tinted windows on the rear. Finishing this really nice metallic eternal blue. Show you the rear alloys just there as well. So this vehicle is the 2 litre petrol, 165 horsepower. Show you the rear, so you've got your dual exhausts, you've got your reversing cameras, your sensors just there as well. There we are. Again, continuing round. As you can see, the vehicle is in great condition, especially for the 58,000 miles that are on the clock at the moment. Previous owner kept this in immaculate condition when they had this. Showing you the front alloy there. And then what I'll do now is I'll proceed on to the interior of the vehicle. So here we are at the boot of the vehicle. So as you can see, the CX-5 has a very large boot with we've actually got 3 separate folding seats, so the middle does go down by itself. There's a ski through. They're also controlled from these little levers just here to make this a little bit more practical. You've got the original mats here as well for the vehicle as well. You'll get that with the car. Then you've got some extra storage just under here as well, and some other storage compartments just on the sides as well. Going to move on to the interior of the vehicle. So here we are on the interior of the vehicle. So just like the exterior, the interior has been kept in immaculate condition. This model of the CX-5 has been finished in this premium cloth. Lots of space for rear passengers. Easily fit 3 adults in the back here with comfort. And then moving on to the front of the vehicle, just like the rear, finished in this premium cloth and also kept in great condition as well. There we are. I'm going to move on to the interior features of the car now. So you're joining me now on the interior of the CX-5. So first of all, I'm going to just show you the vehicle starting up. So you start it with this start button just here. Again, start straight up. First thing to show you is the mileage of the vehicle. So 58,003, so just gone over the 58,000 mile mark. Now to start up, pointing out some of the features. So the right hand display is a digital display, the rest are analog. You have your automatic wipers and automatic headlights with front and rear fog lights as well on this model. You've got your controls for your Bluetooth and radio. You have the controls for your radar cruise control, as well as just standard cruise control if you need be. Controls for your lane keeping assist just down there. Traction control, your parking sensors. Electric windows all around. And then your controls for your electrically adjusted door mirrors as well. Then just moving on to the infotainment screen. So as the name suggests, you've got the navigation and the SE-L Nav. Again, going back, you've got Bluetooth connectivity. You'll have full DAB radio. Settings in here, so you've got all your safety, so your blind spot detections, lane keeping assists, all your sound controls just in there as well. As you can see, there's your Bluetooth. Moving on down, so you've got your CD player just there. You have your air conditioning controls. So as you can see, dual zone climate controls, so the passenger and the driver can both have separate controls for this. You have your 12 volt cable charger just there. Here you have your 6-speed manual gearbox. You do have, like I said, reversing sensors, so if I put this into reverse, then your sensors will come on. There we are. So that's your surround sensors just there. Moving on down, you've got your electric handbrake and your automatic handbrake controls as well. And then just in this little section here, this little compartment space is removable, as you can see. Then you've got your USB connections just down there, another 12 volt port, and then your SD card holder as well. I hope this gives you a little more insight into the general condition of the vehicle. As you may be aware, the Mazda CX-5 is a rare vehicle to find at the moment, so this is a great vehicle to get your hands on while you can. If you would like to book a test drive and see this vehicle in a bit more detail in person, then please contact us on the details below, and we'll look forward to your visit. Thank you.